Good morning everyone. Today let's have the revision class of chapter 3 and 4. In the third chapter, we have studied some advanced formatting features available in MS Word. And the first feature is called line spacing. Line spacing refers to the vertical space between two adjacent lines of a paragraph. There are options available for different line spacing in MS Word. For getting the line spacing option, we have to click on the Home tab. In the Home tab, we can see Paragraph Group. In the Paragraph Group, there is an option called Line Spacing. So, first of all, we need to select the text to which we have to apply line spacing. After the selection, we can click on the Line Space option available from the Paragraph Group. Here we can see lot of numbers are given here. So, we can click on any option from the list. The larger number indicates large space between the vertical lines of a paragraph. So, we can select the line spacing from the option called Paragraph Group from the Home tab. By using the same option, we can set the paragraph spacing also. The paragraph spacing refers to the vertical space before and after a paragraph. So, to change the paragraph spacing, select the paragraph and then follow some steps. So, after selecting the paragraph, we need to follow some steps like we have to click on the Home tab. Then in the Paragraph Group, click on the Line and Paragraph Spacing option. Okay, here we can see Line and Paragraph Spacing. Then one dialog box will be appear. So, we have to click on the Add Space Before Paragraph or Add Space After Paragraph option. Okay, so in the same dialog box, we can see some option called the Indentation. In your textbook, you have studied the topic Indents. Indents are used to set the starting and end points for lines in a paragraph. Four types of indents are available in MS Word, like left indent, right indent, first line indent and hanging indent. The first line indent and hanging indent are available in the option called Special. The first line indent sets the starting point of all lines of a paragraph, where right indent sets the end point of all lines of a paragraph. The first line indent is used to set the starting point of the first line of a paragraph, and also the last one, hanging indent, which sets the starting point of all lines except the first line of a paragraph. So, there are totally 4 indents are available in the indents option. Okay. And our next formatting feature is called page margin. Page margin is the blank white space left on the all side of a printed page. Here you can see lot of page margin options are available when we click on the page layout tab. Okay, first we need to click on the page layout. There we can see page margin. Lot of page margins are available there. Next one is page orientation. Page orientation helps in setting the way in which a Word document may be printed. There are 2 options available in the case of page orientation. First one is portrait, second one is landscape. The portrait setting, the document is printed vertically, which means that the length of the paper is more than the width of the paper. And the second page orientation is landscape. And in the landscape setting, the document is printed horizontally. Okay, here this option is called watermark. A watermark is a text or image that is shown as a light color imprint behind the text of every page in a document. It is also possible to add a picture or text instead of the default text as the watermark by using the option called custom watermark. So, by using the custom watermark option, we can set even our name as the watermark for our Word document. So, this is our next formatting feature called watermark. Now, let's check what is page border. A border is an outline given to a page that make it look more attractive. So, the page border formatting feature is available in the page layout tab. So, first we have to click on the page layout, then click on the option called page borders. The borders and shading dialog box will be opened. So, this is called borders and shading dialog box. So, we have to click on the page borders tab. Here we can see lot of styles. We can select any one of the style and then click on OK. Now here you can see the style which I have selected is applied here. Do you know what is a page color or page shading? We can further increase the presentability and appeal of a page by filling it with a color of our choice. For that, we can use the option called page color or page shading. Lot of colors are available when we click on the arrow next to the page color. So we can select any one of the color as the background color for our page. So that option is called page color. And next one, inserting columns and column break. By using the column option, we can write the text in our Word document in more than one column. When we click on the arrow next to the columns, we can see here 1, 2, 3, left and right. So we can apply the text in more than one column by using the options column. If you want more than 3 columns, we can click on the more columns options to open the columns dialog box. Then we can mention the number of columns we need. Okay, when we click on the columns, one list will come. So we can select. And the next one is header and footer. The header and footer options are available in the Insert tab. Header is any text or image that is placed at the top of the page. And footer is anything that is placed at the bottom of the page. The header or footer can be a text, picture, date, time or a page number. So by using the header and footer option, we can place something on the top of the page and also on the bottom of the page. And the last formatting feature in this chapter is page number. Suppose you want only page numbers in a document and not header and footer, then we can opt the option called page numbers option. And for that, we have to click on the Insert tab. Next to the header and footer, we can see an option page number. There are actually some options available. We can insert the page number on the top of the page, on the bottom of the page, in the current position and so on. So we can choose the position for inserting the page number. Now let's move to our fourth chapter. In this chapter, we have studied the options available in the Insert tab. And the first option is called adding clip art. Clip art means the collection of many objects such as pictures, shapes and symbols. For that, first we need to click on the Insert tab, then select the option Clip Art. When we click on the Clip Art, one Clip Art taskpan will be available in the right side of the document. So in the keyword, we can type anything. Suppose you need to insert some pictures or clip art of the flower, you can type flowers here. Then click on the option Go. When we click on the option Go, in the bottom side we can see all the clip arts related to the keyword flowers. Suppose we need a picture, we can just double click on the clip art. It will be present on the Word document. Okay, after inserting the clip art, we can see an extra tab called Format. All the formatting features will be available there. We can also add any pictures stored in our computer to our Word file. For that, we have to click on the Insert tab, then select the option Pictures. Then we can go to the picture gallery and select any one of the picture from there. Then it will be inserted to our Word document. After inserting the picture, it is possible to resize the picture. Resizing means at the edge of the picture, we can see some squares and also circles. By using these small squares and circles, we can increase and decrease the size of the picture. And also here on the top we can see an extra tab called Format. In the right side of the ribbon we can see an option called Crop. We can delete some parts of the picture that you do not want to show in the file using this crop tool. And also there are some options called Adding Styles. We can add different styles to our picture by using the Adding Styles option. So whenever we are clicking on the picture, the Format tab will be appear on the toolbar. Then we can apply resizing, cropping and also styles to our inserted picture. Our next topic is inserting word art. Just as the clip art feature, it is used to add pictures and apply various styles to make them attractive. So the word art feature is used to give some special effect to the text in your Word file. For inserting word art, we have to click on the Insert tab, then select Word Art. If we are clicking on the Word Art, one dialog box will be appear. Then we can type our text here and click on the option OK. Now you can see the welcome is typed here. When we click on the clip art, we can see the same extra tab called format. So various formatting features for the word art also we can apply by using the format tab. MS Word allow you to insert different shapes such as rectangle, oval, line and so on. So to insert a shape in the document, we have to click on the insert tab. There we can see an option called shapes. Just click on the shape, one drop down list will come with lot of shapes. We can just click on the shape and drag our mouse on the document area. Then we can insert various shapes in our document. When we click on the inserted shape, the format tab will be appear on the ribbon. So we can apply various formatting features to our shape. Like we can add text into our shapes, we can give various colors to our shape, we can apply shadow to our shape like that. And the last option in this chapter is called inserting symbols. We can insert various symbols and special characters in our Word document by using the option called symbols. It is also available in the insert tab. So we have to click on the insert tab, then the last option name is called symbols. We can just click on the symbol and insert various symbols to our document. So these are the various important topics from chapter 3 and 4 that you have to study for the exam.